Hey everybody, my name is Ryan. In today's video I did some paver on this driveway. I'm gonna show you how I did it. But before we jump into the video, if you're new here, consider subscribing for a more upcoming video like this one. Sanjay and I are here stringing up our line now. The reason for that, we're trying to string our line so we could take the measurement from the line down to start and do some digging, because there was interlock there before. The homeowner removed it before I even started this job. So see there I'm measuring right now. We measure 4 inches from the line down. So we're gonna dig out 1.5 inches, because the interlock that was there before was 2.5 inches. So we have to dig down 1.5 inches. So, and then we put 1 inch's worth of leveling sand. So if you do start this from the beginning, you want to dig down at least 9 inches and keep compacting it every 3 inches until you reach up to the top. And then you wet it with your water, and if you want to see how I did that, you can go and check the previous video. It would be part 1 of this video, and you see how I did that part. But in this video we're gonna basically just remove 1.5 inches of the sub base from here, and then we're gonna compact it and stamp it, and then wet it and install all 1 inch leveling sand. And guys, very important tip, your base is the most important part of the paver or interlock job. You want to make sure you compact it very well, because if you don't compact the base very well, your interlock or your paver the lifespan won't last. So you want to make sure you go over with your tamper several times, and you wet it with water and make sure you get all the spots, all the area, because it's very important to make sure you tamp everywhere and make sure the lifespan lasts for a very long time. So it's very important to keep going over and over and make sure so your base is well compact before you even put your 1 inch leveling sand over it. So there now I'm setting up start setting up the pipe. That's a 1 inch PVC pipe. I'm putting that right down 3 inches from the line, and that's where we're gonna put our sand. And there I'm checking to see if I'm on my 3 inches. So from the pipe up to the line is 3 inches, and I have my 2x4 now. I use that. I'm gonna squeal it now. Use that as a rod. You could use any form of straight edge board that you have. Basically, you're gonna just run it right on top of the pipe to get you a level, because where the pipe is right now to the line is 3 inches. So when we remove our line, we get it right up to where we want it. So it's gonna fall right on to the top of the concrete there, where you see I have my line. Video coming up for that retaining wall, so subscribe for when I upload it, you get notified. So here I'm about to start laying my paver. I'm just filling back where the pipe, the PVC pipe was. You want to fill that and level it as level as I can, and remove any form of stone that's in the way. And there's a video that I explain how to form the pattern. I will link that video in the description, and right over there you will see the card above. You will see a link of the video. That video should explain how to lay the stone, how to form the pattern, and it's basically the same rule that applies to all type of stone: veneer, man-made, natural stone. All stone is just the same tree rule applies to lay them. So if you just watch the video, you will learn and know how I get to form my pattern in the stone.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna
That's the homeowner. There's some awesome people, man. They always make sure we get our water and our juice to keep us going. I really enjoy working for them.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
So here I'm making my cuts. It's very important to turn the cut, the factory part to the road, because as you see there, it's gonna expose to the road. So what I did, I turned the factory part to the road, and I put the cut to the opposite side. So after you put your polymer sand, the polymeric sand, you won't see the cut. Afterward, I'm gonna run my saw. I'm gonna run my saw right through the line to make sure I get a straight line, so that afterward you won't see the cut. You won't see that it's cut. So I'm just laying it, and then I'm gonna line it up and make sure I have a straight line there. This is a short clip from the previous video because I wasn't recording at the time of the video that I'm showing you guys now. So basically what you want to do, you want to just broom your polymeric sand into the joint and just use your tamper and run it over it, and then some of it gonna go down into the joint. So you want to go back over and broom it back into it again. And you just want to broom it really well before you activate it with the water. So basically after you finish, you just put water over it to activate it. And thanks for, and guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I upload new video you get notified. And give the video a like so that YouTube will recognize it and maybe suggest it to someone else. Maybe someone else want to see something like this and learn something from it. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.